Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the tripod, of the 310 tripod, portable and foldable tripod with mobile clip holder bracket. So as you can see, this is the tripod 3110 model number. It has a 3-way head, built-in level, 4-section aluminum legs and a quick lever lock. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. This is basically ideal for mobile photography and that's what it's meant for. And this is your mobile phone clip holder that comes. Apart from that, okay. So there you go. So that is the tripod itself. As you can see, it's an aluminum body. Let me go ahead and it does extend a bit. And you attach your mobile clip holder to the top over here. As you can see, there's a screw, and you just have to screw this in. So I've screwed that in. As you can see, the head has come out. It's not... Okay, you just put it back on. There's a lock, a switch right there. There you go. So there you go. So that's the head in focus now. And you can take a look at it. This of course controls your panning and tilting motion. So that's what it looks like. So there you go. That was an unboxing and a quick look at the tripod 3110. This is a mobile phone tripod. It's meant for mobile phones. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.